Welcome, today in front of me Nubia Red Magic 7 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first let's just here hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one, and now we can see the new created home screen folder on our device screen. If you want to add here more applications by the same way, just hold and drag it, or also you can just click here on this plus icon and then select just wallpapers which you want to add to your device home screen. So you can make by just one click, add here more apps. For example, let's use this for. Tap here to confirm, and now we can see that we just successfully add them. If you want to rename the folder, just click here on the name and enter the new one. For example, the apps. Tap to OK on the home screen, and we can see that this folder renamed successfully. Also, if you want to move this folder here on the screen, that's not a problem. Just hold and drag it, and we can move the folders between the screens, or also if you want you can just create the new screens with the folder. That's also not a problem. And just to remove applications from here, you can hold and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen, but also you can tap here to this plus icon and to unselect the applications which you want to remove. For example, by this way, tap to confirm, and now we can see that we'll just that the folder is gone automatically, and all of the applications you can see them here on your device home screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.